In today's video, I will show you how to fix Messenger Restore Chat not working. When your Messenger chat history is refusing to sync, the glitch is almost always tied to your end-to-end encrypted chats, which Meta uses to keep your conversations completely secure from outside eyes. Because your messages are safely locked away in cloud-based secure storage, a desynced or glitched security key will completely block a new device from fetching your history. The best way to snap the app out of this loop is to establish a fresh security key right from a phone where you are already logged in. To do this, open Messenger on your device and click on the menu bar at the bottom right. Then click on Settings, and from there, navigate to Privacy and Safety. Inside this menu, click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats and then tap on Message Storage. From here, you will click Reset PIN, which allows you to create a brand new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Once this fresh key is safely set, you can head over to your new device, like a laptop or a new phone, and use this new PIN to seamlessly sync and restore your entire conversation history. And that's it. That's how you fix Messenger Restore Chat not working.